Hi, I'm Jay. Welcome to the Gear Genius Garage at Nite. We're here today to talk about backcountry travel in the winter and some considerations you should have before you head out. One of the biggest things to consider is battery life of your powered devices while you're out in the backcountry. All battery-powered devices suffer from output degradation during cold temperatures. Make sure you keep all of these devices as close as you can to the body, an interior layer, a thigh pocket, etc., to make sure you keep them warm. You can also always have a little stash of extra batteries with you, and those be kept next to that interior layer and then added to the device when it's time to power up. Bringing any of these items back to body temperature against the skin will bring them back to life and ensure that you can use them while you're out in the cold. The next thing we're going to chat about today is emergency preparedness. I oftentimes will have something like a backcountry ski sled with me. It's always going to be outfitted with a variety of Nite gear ties, some S-beaners, and invariably there's going to be a first aid kit in the mix, as well as a little kit of items that make gear repair easier. One of the best things in here that I learned several years ago is that hose clamps are a wonderful option in a variety of sizes that can be linked together and can really put back together the binding on a ski, on a snowshoe, etc. In addition to that, some paracord is always a good option, some Nite gear ties always a good option, a variety of S-beaners and other accessories that you know are common fail points on your gear. Having all of this stuff with you will ensure you make it back to the car safely and really enjoy your time in the backcountry. Thanks for stopping by the Gear Genius Garage. We'll see you next time.